cysts to inject the venom. Its tentacles carry millions of these darts. As the prey struggles, even more are fired. Massive envenomations occur, allowing the cardiotoxin easy access to the prey's heart. Humans are also accidental victims of box jellyfish. A single animal's venom could kill 20 people. The stinging darts can cause hideous whip-like scars, and there's terrible pain. There are stories of people trying to cut off their own arms to stop their agony. In his job as a beach lifeguard, Thomas Chandler knew better than most the dangers of box jellies. Yet he had a truly bizarre accident. Results: blue dots for myotoxins, red dots for other poisons. The pattern shows the sea snake's myotoxin is more discerning than the rattlesnake's, not merely destroying muscles, but also stopping them working. Venom often evolved from saliva, yet the venom in sea snakes is nothing compared to that found in a snail. Conotoxin contains not 40, but hundreds of different invertebrates. The colourful cone shell is actually a venom laboratory. Like an orchestra, venoms contain many different components working in symphony. A computer will determine how many, and exactly